We're diving into a fascinating story about a home makeover with Freedom Windows. Freedom Windows is about top-notch service and quality, never any high-pressure sales tactics.
Well, Ryan, good to be back with Freedom Windows.
Good to be here with you.
You know, I love coming out and seeing some of the projects that you do and some of the differences that you make in some of these homes. Tell us a little bit about this one behind us.
We're over here in Deer Run, beautiful, beautiful neighborhood here in Powell. These are about 30-year-old homes, and they have those old wood casement windows with that old oak on the inside. The outside has this, kind of aluminum cladding on it. And what happens is over the years, water just kind of seeps back inside that aluminum cladding, tends to kind of rot up the wood part of the windows. So what they wanted to do is not only just replace them, but really upgrade the windows. Really meets the new energy efficiency standards that we have today. And we've changed the colors. We did this really dark oil rub bronze on the windows, but on the inside, instead of that old wood oak look, we're doing all new bright white, and it just really modernizes the home. And these are big, beautiful homes, so there's a ton of glass, a ton of windows, and replacing them with new efficient windows is really going to change the heating and cooling budget.
What kind of impact do you think that would have on the heating and cooling budget?
Yeah, nowadays, if you go with a nice Energy Star product, which has come up a long ways, you're looking at roughly 30 to 40%.
Wow, that's major. That's major.
Yeah, the U.S. Department of Energy shows these statistics where if you get a certain type of product, you're going to save, they actually show 40%.
Were there any challenges in actually doing this job?
The only challenges here, some real big picture windows. The backyard has 3 elevations with a beautiful pool in the backyard. So, working around the customer's beautiful stuff that they have in their home, that's always a challenge because we want to make sure that we leave the house exactly how we found it. You can reach us at 614-798-1133, or you can see us online at thefreedomwindow.com.